Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Hello guys. How are you? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we were talking about assignment operator. Previous video, we were talking about what is operator, what is type of operator, what is arithmetic operator. In this, what is arithmetic operator? But in this video, we were talking about what is assignment operator, and also we were talking about what is logical operator. Assignment operator is very easy topic, but logical operator is some difficult or more difficult topic, but very interesting topic for us. So what is the assignment operator? In simple word, assignment means assign. Assignment operator, we will discuss assignment operator with the help of example. So in simple word, we integer a is equal to 3. For example, integer a is equal to 3. In this case, a assigned to b, a assigned to 3. So assignment operator is not new thing for us. In simply, a assigned to 3 as integer a assigned to 3. Simple assignment operator is very easy. So we will make a small code for better understanding purpose. For example, hash include less than stdio.h. This is a library which gives us some function like printf scanner, integer main for first execution. The first execution of C language were going with the help of integer main, and then in last we write return 0, tell the operating system execution is successfully finished, and then we write integer a is equal to 9. So a assigned to 9, integer b is equal to a, b assigned to a. This is not very complex topic, but most of the cases in exams or in exam this question were make with MCQ's purpose, be assigned to a, in simple words. So I hope you understand what is assignment operator. I clear what is assignment operator in detail. सही है. So when I print this program, printf %d comma b assigned to a, but a assigned to 9. So in variable b 9 is come. When we print the value of b, let us see what is printed. B is equal to 9, 9 is printed. It is not very new program for us, but logical operator is very new topic for us. So what is mean by Boolean and logical operator? We discuss Boolean and logical operator. Don't worry about any notes. We were sent with my handwritten notes in description. If you not achieve in description with my handwritten notes, so you are going to my tutorial number 1 and see in description and access my handwritten notes. Boolean and logical operator. What is Boolean and logical operator? What is mean by Boolean and logical operator? I understand you what is mean by Boolean and logical operator. In simple words, 0, 0 and 1. 0 or 1 is a Boolean operator. When you are doing any task with the help of computer can't understand your language. For example, if you write in MS Word anything, my name is Muzammil, so computer can't understand English language, but computer understand only 0 1 language, zeros and 1 language, which means binary language. The purpose of zeros and 1 binary language is when when the ampere of current is held in high voltage, computer shows 1, and when the current is going to low voltage, computer shows 0. So zeros and 1 language computer understand only, but in C language 1 represent true, 0 represent 1, and I know you 0 represent false, and I know you can't understand this logic. Only see what thing we understand what thing we understand. So zeros and 1, there are 3 types of Boolean logical operator: AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. AND operator look like this. When we use AND operator, we write ampersand with. NOT operator shows this. The work of AND operator is the AND operator shows when two values true. When two values are true, the answer is true. The answer is true. When any values is false, the answer is false. When two values are false, the answer is false. False true is equal to false. AND operator is the best example of your bike. You start your bike, first of all you enter key in meter and then you kick. You enter key in meter and then you kick. So bike is started. If you only enter key and not given to bike with any kick, so bike is not started. This is the best example of AND operator. Those two values is true, the answer is true. Those two values is any one values is false, the answer is false. Any one values is false, the answer is false. Any two values are false, the answer is false. What is mean by OR operator? OR operator means the purpose of operator is, for example, the best example of OR operator is direct bike. In direct bike, when you join two wires, the bike is started. So literally, if any input or output is true, the answer is true. For example, in this case, true is equal to true. I copy this, but no, I can't copy this program, because when I copy this program, you can't understand my language very well. When any answer is, when any one is true, the answer is, when any one output is true, the answer is true. When any two answer is false, the answer is false. Any one true, the answer is true. Not operator is very bad boy. In a society, a lot of operator, when we give any task, those bad child doing this task against. For example, you give any bad child any small amount, for example 10 rupees, and say please bring one mango, but this child going to the market and take one banana. This child perform opposite task. The not operator is similar. When your answer is true, it give us false. When your answer is false, it give us true. See this program confidently, and don't worry when we program this code. First of all, you write in C language 1 represent true and 0 represent false. Understand this thing very well. When you understand, I hope you understand this logics very well. I suggest you take a screenshot this program, and I select all the program and cut, and then I write library hash include stdio.i. This library give us some function like printf, scanf. In all video we were discuss what is mean by this library. Integer main for first execution. Bool is a type of bool is also a data type. In bool, one represent true and 0 represent false. See this program very well. See this program confidently and try to understand this program. Bool b is equal to 0. See what is the output of this program. If we print %d comma b and write return 0, which means execution is successfully finished. So terminator semicolon is very necessary for us. Terminator semicolon tell the bool. Identifier bool integer. It gives us dot of because I write %f. Why this program give me so Boolean bool data type? We will discuss bool data type in another video in functions topic, but in this type bool operator is not used, so neglect bool data type. If we write integer b is equal to 0 and parent b, what is the output of this program? You can't understand what is mean by percentage u. We were discussing in another video. If we write and operator we were discuss and operator in another video. 0 represent false and 0 also represent false. Previous topic we were talk about if 2 input is false, answer is also given false in AND operator. Not any value is printed, 0 is printed. Previous video we were discussed if in AND operator 2 values is true, the answer is always true. 2 values is true, the answer is always true. Run this program confidently. See true is printed, 1 is printed, because in C language 1 represent true and 0 represent false. Integer C is equal to true and operator use false. Previous video we were discussed if two answer is if the condition is true and false, the answer is also given in false in Boolean operators. So let us see, 1 is printed. So let us see false is printed. AND operator we will discuss AND operator in very detail and briefly. In this video we were also talking about what is OR operator. For example, we write integer a is equal to 1, use OR operator and also 1. Previous video we were discuss about if two output is true and true, in OR operator the value is also given in true. If we print a variable a, container a, so see what is the output of this program. If we write a, see what is the output of this program. True is printed. If we make integer b is equal to 0 or operator use 0. So previous video we were discuss about false in OR operator. False is equal to false. See what is the output of this program if we print b. So see what is the output of this program. False is printed means 0 is printed. If we declare variable c, for example integer c, and then we discuss true or false. So previous time we were discuss about in OR operator true or one output is true and another output is false, the answer is always true. So comment this program and try to solve this program in your own manner, in your own way. Code this program very well, and then we were talking about what is not operator. Not operator is in previous video we were discussed about not operator is represented with this case. For example, we were discussed integer a is equal to 0. See what is the output of this program when we use not operator. So let us see what is the output of this program. Not operator is very bad boy. Not operator perform only opposite task. 1 is printed. See when we run again this program, let us see what this 1 is printed. Why 1 is printed? Because the work of non operator is doing opposite work. In not operator, the work of not operator is, if answer is false, giving output is true. If output is true, giving output is false. For example, we use not operator, we use true. In not operator, answer is also given and false. When we print container B, see what is the output of this program. 0 is printed. I hope you understand this program very well and try this program again and again in your compiler, in your computer, in your mobile phone, any place. Try this program to solve. I hope you understand this program very well, and I give you a, for example, summary this whole program. Boolean or logical operator means 0s 1 binary number. For example, 1 is represent in C language 1 is represent true and 0 is represent false. The work of AND operator is, there are 3 type of logical operator. The work of AND operator is AND operator. Any values is false, the answer is given and false. In simple way, any value is false, the output is given, the output is false. And OR operator, any value is true, the answer is true. Any value is true, the answer is true. And the work of not operator is convert true into false or false into true. I give you a homework. Your homework is write a program write a program to take two inputs. Write a program to take two inputs with user and use AND operator. to check answer is given in true manner or false manner. Or false manner. This is very simple program. You make two integer variable, for example a comma b, and take input with user. Second step is make two variable, take input with user, using scanf function, and then another task is make our third variable let c and use AND operator and check user print true values and false values. And I hope you perform this task very well. This video is finished. Take care of your life. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.